When considering 3dcart for your dropshipping business, there are a few things you need to know before you make the decision. It's a solid platform, but there are some aspects to consider that could affect whether it's the right fit for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look out for before making that purchase. First, let's talk about pricing. 3dcart offers a range of pricing plans, which is great for flexibility. But the catch is that you'll need to be careful because they don't always make it easy to compare their offerings. Unlike Shopify, which has a clear breakdown of its features across pricing tiers, 3dcart requires more effort to figure out which plan truly fits your needs. Keep in mind that their lower tier plans might leave you wanting when it comes to essential features like reporting and abandoned cart recovery. Next thing you need to know is customization. While 3dcart does provide a wide range of templates, the design options aren't as user-friendly or modern as some other competitors like BigCommerce or Shopify. You'll need some technical know how to get the most out of the platform, especially when customizing the checkout or building custom features. This can be a pro if you're tech savvy, but a hurdle if you're not. The third thing to consider is integrations. 3dcart does have quite a few integrations, but it's nowhere near as extensive as Shopify. If you're looking to integrate with certain third-party apps or specialized tools, you might find yourself limited. Shopify, for example, supports a huge range of integrations, making it easier to scale your business with whatever tools you need. Fourth thing is the learning curve. 3dcart is definitely a bit steeper than its competitors. Platforms like Shopify and Wix are much easier for beginners, while 3dcart requires more time to get the hang of. The admin panel can be overwhelming, and you'll likely need to invest more time into tutorials or even customer support if you're new to e-commerce. Next thing is customer support. While 3dcart does offer 24/7 support, the quality of service can be hit or miss. Users have reported that their customer service is responsive, but not always as helpful as they'd like, especially when compared to platforms like BigCommerce or Shopify, where the support is generally faster and more in-depth. Sixth thing, mobile optimization. While 3dcart's themes are mobile-friendly, it doesn't quite match up to competitors like Shopify, which has superior mobile app management features for both the store owner and the customer. If managing your store on the go is important to you, 3dcart's mobile experience might not be as smooth as you'd like. Seventh, let's talk about SEO features. 3dcart does offer some basic SEO tools, but it's not quite as intuitive as Shopify's built-in SEO options. The SEO tools on Shopify are a lot more user-friendly, allowing you to make tweaks without needing to understand much about SEO. With 3dcart, you might need some technical knowledge to take full advantage of their SEO features. Eighth thing you should know is scalability. While 3dcart is scalable, if you plan to grow your business to a larger scale, you might outgrow 3dcart more quickly than you would with Shopify or BigCommerce. These platforms are built with more advanced features and larger enterprise-level businesses in mind, which could give you a smoother experience as you expand. The ninth thing is payment processing. 3dcart supports a wide variety of payment processors, which is a plus. However, keep in mind that you might incur higher transaction fees if you're not using their preferred payment gateway. This could be a downside if you prefer using PayPal or another provider, as those transaction fees can stack up. Next thing is speed and performance. 3dcart generally performs well, but some users report slower page loading times, especially when they're using more advanced features or apps. On the other hand, platforms like Shopify are known for their faster page load speeds, which can impact your site's conversion rates. The 11th thing to consider is product management. 3dcart does have a solid product management system, but it's not as intuitive as Shopify's. For instance, managing inventory and product variants can be a bit more cumbersome. Shopify's product management system is smoother, which can save you time and frustration in the long run. Lastly, let's talk about ease of migration. Migrating from another platform to 3dcart is possible, but it's not the simplest process. If you're coming from Shopify or WooCommerce, expect to put in a fair amount of effort or consider hiring someone to assist with the migration. Now that you know the key factors, 3dcart is a good option for those who need a flexible platform with a lot of built-in features. However, if you want an easier, more seamless experience, we recommend checking out our solution, which